Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking it down to a strategy that I use in trading the forex market on my psychology. Now, one thing that you need to understand about the forex market is forex market covers 70% of your psychology and 20% of your technical analysis in the forex market. So I'm going to be walking you down to a strategy that I use in trading the forex market on my psychology. But first, let's understand what psychology is all about. Psychology has to do with the study of the mind. You have to be able to understand how your mind works. Now, your ability to understand your personality and how you think is going to help you understand how you're going to be managing your psychology while your trade is running or before executing your trades. Now, let's walk down to what two things that my psychology talks about is one, it works through experiences, and second of all, it works through your past, the way you think, your experiences, and the way you think. That's your belief. Now, what do you believe? The belief here implies the fact that you believe on your strategy. If you believe in your strategy and you believe that strategy is able to give you money in the market, you should be able to stick to it. Either your market is making a losses or is making a profit, you want to stick to that strategy because why? You know that's what you believe in. I used to tell folks that the only thing you know in the market is your belief, and that belief has to do with your strategy. Every other thing is not real. Everything that works in the market that is perfect for you is your psychology, not actually something else. And why experience it? If you're always losing money in the market, you will feel that because today's trade is yesterday's trade was a loss, you might be thinking, whoa, today I'm going to losing money also. So your psychology has a way of playing out on you over time that, whoa, I'm going to be losing money over time. And over time you find out that you blow accounts because that's where you get up to the stage where you overtrade. Instead of implementing 2 or 3 trades in a day, you are implementing 5 trades because why? You want to make money and recover the money you've lost. And as at that stage, your psychology is the one playing out on you because you want to make back what you have lost instead of looking forward to trading the market based on what you believe. Now, as at this stage, you're no longer in control of yourself. Your emotions has taken the better part of you. Your emotions has taken the better part of you, and it has the way of affecting your trades over time. You might be losing out 30 trades, 40 trades over time because what? The psychology is what? Having the better part of you. Now, I'm going to be showing you how I'm able to manage my trades. Now, even as much as we understand that we cannot actually take our emotions out from the market, but there's a way we manage our emotions while we are trading. Like while I was new into day trading, I used to think that if I open my trade, I keep monitoring it. This thing want to go against me, this thing want to move in my favor, and over time I find out that I'm losing money. I'm losing money, and on the long run, because why? My psychology is the one playing the part, the better part of my trade. And don't forget, psychology has a way of what? Implementing a larger part of your analysis in the market. Okay, so you're able to manage your psychology, you'll be able to what? Make money in the market. And another thing I used to do is whenever the market wants to move in my favor, I keep opening multiple trades, and in the long run I find out that I'm losing out. Why am I opening multiple trades? I'm like, whoa, this thing is about to move up. Now, if you take a look at what I'm saying, I think. Now, the market is not based off of what you think. It's actually based off of what you see. Now, in the forex market, we actually believe what we see, not actually thinking what we see. We don't think. Don't forget, we're not in control of the market. The smart money guys are. So we don't want to think what they want to do. We always want to see what they've done and make up our decision based on what they've done. So we do analysis based on what we see in the market and what we see happening in the market. Now, how am I able to manage my emotions? How am I able to keep my psychology in check? One, I create a trading strategy that works for me. And now this trading strategy has to do with what I've used over time during my course of my demo trading, and I'm able to practice this thing, and I see that it's working out for me. It's giving me 80% win rate in the market. So what I do is I keep sticking to it. I keep holding on to it because that's the only thing, as long as the forex market is concerned, that's the only thing I believe in, because it keeps giving me what wins, even if it's a loss. Don't forget, we make losses also in the market. Okay, it will be a thing of a disaster for you to think that you're not going to be losing in the market. You will, but we just want to make sure that our wins is actually above our losses. Okay, now the second thing I do is I make sure that I have a belief. The first one, and the second one is I keep my trading rules in check. Now, there's something called trading rules. I was mistaking trading rules for trading strategy.